Nah, record. Oke, sekarang kita ke pas ya. Kalau yang ini nanti artnya sedang ya. Nah, sekarang kita ke pas. Pas perfect verbal. Nah, ini hampir sama ya. Hampir sama kayak apa namanya? Present perfect yang I have. I have taken a bath. I have eaten. Cuman di sini kita pakainya had ya. Akhirnya had. I had studied. I hadn't studied. Saya sudah belajar. Saya belum belajar. Apakah saya sudah belajar? Had I studied English? Kalau ini, belumkah saya belajar? Itu ya. Jadi ini hampir sama kayak present perfect. Cuman kalau present perfect itu I have. I have studied English. I haven't studied English. Have I studied English? Itu kalau yang present perfect. Nah, di sini kita pakai past perfect. Jadi pakainya had. Nah, terus apa sih bedanya sama yang kemarin yang present perfect? Kalau present perfect itu cuma satu kejadian. Kayak misal, saya sudah makan. Me, I have eaten noodle. I have eaten noodle gitu aja. Tapi di sini di past perfect kita ada dua kejadian dalam satu kalimat. Jadi semisal saya sudah makan mie ketika Revaldo datang ke rumahku seperti itu ya. Jadi ada saya, ada Revaldo nih. I had, nah pakai had karena dua kejadian pakai yang ini ya. I had eaten noodle when Revaldo. Nah, nanti Revaldonya pakai simple past when Revaldo came to my house. Jadi seperti itu ya. Jadi kalau di past perfect ada dua kejadian, ada dua orang, dua subjek, dua kejadian. Gitu bedanya. Next. Nah, ini untuk rumusnya seperti ini ya. Kita lanjut ke slide selanjutnya. Ada time signalnya nih. Yang pertama menggunakan, nah ini apa sih PP? PP itu bukan pemuda Pancasila ya, tapi past perfect saya singkat nih, past perfect. Past perfect when simple past. I had eaten noodle when you took a bath. Aku sudah makan mie ketika kamu mandi. Ingat ya, simple past pakai verb 2. When you took a bath. Atau dibalik juga bisa. When you took a bath, ketika kamu mandi, saya sudah makan mie. Gitu juga bisa. Nah, kemudian yang kedua, PP while PC. Nanti while di sini artinya sedangkan. Past perfect while past continuous. They hadn't done the homework. Mereka belum ya. Kalau positif, kalau ini sudah. Kalau positif, kalau negatif ya belum. Mereka belum mengerjakan tugas. Sedangkan apa nih? Sedangkan the teacher, sedangkan guru was going to the class, sedang menuju ke kelas. Nah, gitu ya. Next, yang ke selanjutnya before. PP before SP. Apa nih PP? Past perfect. Before simple past. Before he came to my house. Nah, ini dibalik ya, bisa. Sebelum dia datang ke rumahku, before he came to my house, she had cooked for him. Dia sudah memasak untuk dia, dia laki-laki nih. Gitu ya. Atau dibalik, ini dulu juga bisa. She had cooked for him before he came to my house. Itu juga bisa. Kemudian yang terakhir ada after. Past perfect, after, simple past. You hadn't planted the tree. Kamu belum apa plant itu menanam ya. Kamu belum menanam pohon setelah saya water it. Setelah saya menyiraminya. Nyanya nih kembali ke pohon. Gitu ya. So far any question? Miss Gloria, Miss Monica, Revaldo, any question?
I I think grammar always something hard
Ya,
for me.
gimana? Is it difficult for you, Miss Monica?
Yeah, I think it's my
Just
problem until
ya,
now.
just try to understand, oke? Jadi
Yeah.
ini Kalau kalian mau ngomong semisal saya sudah mengunjungi rumahmu, itu kan cuma satu kalimat, satu kejadian ya. Saya sudah mengunjungi rumahmu. I have visited your house. Nah, tapi kalau ada dua kejadian, saya sudah mengunjungi rumahmu sebelum Miss Monica mengajakku, semisal. Jadi ada
I had
I had,
visited your home, your house before,
ya
ya,
before Miss
sebelum.
Monica,
Ya, before,
Miss Monica mengajakku.
ya, before I invite you, huh?
Nah, before I invited you.
Invited you, oh ya,
Nah, gitu.
simple past, oke.
Nah, gitu
I
ya.
invited you, oke.
Oke, sampai situ ya.
Yes,
Paham?
ya, ya, I
Yang
see.
lain, ada pertanyaan? Miss Nabila, Nadia, Onawa, and Robert Wilson, Konesha, and others. Ada pertanyaan sebelum kita lanjut?
No,
Gimana, Miss Nabila? Belum
no,
ada? Belum
no
dikasih
question.
belum dikasih soal, jadi belum nanya ya. Oke, oke. Kalau nggak ada pertanyaan, kita lanjut nih. Bentar. Nah, ya, kita kerjain bareng-bareng nih. Saya sudah selesai mengerjakan tugas. Nah, sebelum dia datang, apa nih ya? Coba dong, Miss Monica. Apa Miss Monica nih?
I sudah-sudahnya I had,
I had,
ya,
menyelesaikan.
I had finished
Finished ya, finished.
I had finished the text or the
Ya,
homework, the text before he came.
before he came. Alright, gitu ya.
Oh,
Oke,
yeah,
betul.
I do the writing.
Ya,
Finally,
oke,
thank you.
next. Miss Siti. Hello, Miss Siti. Nomor 2 dong.
They
Ya,
they has they had
ya,
go
they had.
they
Meninggalkan
have
apa meninggalkan?
meninggalkan leave
Leave. Verb 3 dari leave apa? Left.
left
Ya.
left
They had
they
left.
had left home
Ya, the
left
home.
home before rain
The rain turun apa?
the rain trun
Turun atau juga turun apa ya? Fell juga bisa.
fell the rain
Alright.
fell.
Alright, gitu ya. Next.
Okay.
Miss Gloria, number 3. Dia sudah membaca buku itu sebelum ujian dimulai.
Dia ini perempuan atau laki-laki?
Terserah, boleh perempuan, boleh laki-laki.
He had
Membaca verb 3-nya apa?
read.
Ya, read ya, read. Ya.
He had read that book
Ya,
before
ujian,
the examination
the examination was, ini pasif ya, was started. Oke, Miss Rika, come on.
We had
Makan malam.
a dinner.
We
We
had dinner
have dinner before the movie
before the movie was started.
was
Pakai
started.
was. Oke.
Yes.
Next, Nadia. Hello, Miss Nadia. How are you? Come on, Miss Nadia. Yang ini.
They had played tennis before
They
you
have apa? They
came.
had.
They had
They
They
had
had played tennis before you came.
before he came. All right. Mr. Ihsan. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Saya sudah membeli tiket sebelum harga naik.
I have bought the ticket before the harga
Apa?
the cost
price.
risen.
The price
The price.
risen.
The price risen.
All right. Next, Miss Onawa, come on. Dia sudah menulis laporan itu sebelum bosnya memintanya. Apa laporan itu? Report ya. Come on.
Ini bebas kan subjeknya?
Oh, Kak, oh ya dia boleh laki-laki, boleh perempuan.
He had written
Written ya.
the report before his boss asked him.
Asked ya, asked.
Oh,
Asked
asked him.
it.
Asked him. Oke.
Oke, next kami sudah mempersiapkan siapa ya? Eh, Revaldo, hello Revaldo,
Hello, sir.
come on.
We had prepared something before
Everything, segala sesuatu bisa everything aja ya.
everything,
Ya, before.
the event was started.
Oke, next Fatir, come on Fatir Hikari Putra. Hello Fatir, come on Fatir, number 9.
Iya apa ya? We
They,
they
ya, sudah
tiba-tiba
tiba, sudah nyampe
They-
gitu. We had,
they had in
apa? Tiba itu apa tiba?
tiba.
Arrived.
They had arrived in airport
Ya, sebelum pesawatnya lepas landas, before the plane.
take off.
Nah, take off, verb 2 dari take apa?
Like
Took off.
took off.
Nah, took off, alright. Terakhir, Mr. Robert. Hello, Mr. Robert. Robert Wilson, come on. The last number.
I try.
Alright.
I heard the news before you told me.
Ulang, saya sudah mendengarkan berita itu. I
heard the news before you told me.
I had heard atau listened.
I heard.
Ya,
Listen.
ya, berita itu.
The news before you told me.
Before you told me, alright. Okay, so far any question? Easy ya? Miss Lika?
Sir,
Siapa yang nanya nih?
me,
Ya,
Gloria.
ada pertanyaan?
Itu tadi yang sudah makan malam has itu gimana ya? Bisa dijelasin ulang nggak?
Oh, yang makan malam. Oke, bentar. Bentar, saya buka coret-coretan dulu ya. Saya buka Microsoft Word dulu.
Yes, sir.
Oke, nice question. Terima kasih, Miss. Siapa tadi? Gloria ya? Saya tadi apa sih? Saya sudah ya. Saya sudah makan malam. Saya sudah makan malam. Nah, makan malam itu apa sih? Bahasa Inggrisnya ya sarapan, makan siang, makan malam itu pakainya have. Have breakfast. Atau lunch. Atau lagi brunch. Atau dinner. Nah, have di sini apa ya? Have di sini kata kerjanya Miss Gloria ya. Jadi kalau semisal Miss Gloria mau ngomong saya sedang makan malam, I am having dinner. Saya sudah makan malam. Nah, pakainya apa? I have had. Nah, kan sebenarnya gini kan? Have dinner. Nah, tapi di sini have yang kedua itu adalah have kata kerja. Nah, kata kerja yang di rumus ini kan harus verb 3. Jadi diganti pakai had. Nah, I have had dinner. Nah, terus tadi yang pakai past perfect, saya sudah makan malam ketika bla 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 bla. Berarti ada dua head ya. Head yang pertama head yang rumus, head yang kedua head kata kerja. I had head. Gini tuh. Double head ya, ya enggak? Gitu Miss Gloria. Jadi yang di sini tuh apa namanya? Yang have di sini sama have di sini yang pertama ini ini rumus ya atau apa namanya auxiliary. Tapi yang kedua ini namanya kata kerjanya ini, bab 3-nya. Paham Miss Gloria? Gitu? Understand guys? Kalau yang simple past ya tinggal gini aja. Simple past. Jadi I had dinner. Kalau simple present-nya I have dinner. Gitu. Gitu ya. Any question again?
Thank you, sir.
Alright. Ada lagi? Mr. Robert, Mr. Feli, and others. If you have question, just asking. Kalau enggak, kita lanjut. Nah, kita lanjut ya ke past perfect continuous. Nah, past perfect continuous itu juga sama kayak present perfect continuous. Nah, bedanya apa sih? Kalau kemarin kan yang di present perfect continuous kan dilakukan di masa lalu hingga sekarang masih masih dilakukan, masih berlangsung kayak semisal kayak kemarin itu contohnya Mr. Jokowi has been leading Indonesia since 2014. Sampai sekarang kan masih beliau, masih mimpin kan? Jadi masih berlangsung. Nah, kalau yang pas perfect continuous sudah berhenti di masa itu juga ya. Kayak semisal contohnya Pak SBY, Mr. SBY had been leading Indonesia since 2000 berapa itu? 2004 semisal. Jadi kalau yang past perfect ini sudah berhenti. Gitu ya. Itu perbedaannya. Jadi kalau yang I have been itu masih berlangsung, kalau had been sudah berhenti. Nah, ini juga terdapat dua konsep dua kejadian ya.
Aku nggak tahu gimana caranya.
Nah, ini pakai had been verb in. Jadi tenses yang ada verb in-nya itu pasti menggunakan tenses yang ada continuous-nya pasti menggunakan verb in. Nah, ini rumusnya ya. I had been studying English. Saya sudah belajar bahasa Inggris. I hadn't been. Saya belum belajar bahasa Inggris. Had I been? Apakah saya sudah? Hadn't I been? Belumkah saya sudah? Belumkah saya belajar bahasa Inggris? Nah, itu untuk gambaran contohnya ya. Contoh dari rumusnya. Nah, sekarang kita ke penggunaan time cycle-nya. Sama, ada when, before, after. Nah, contohnya di sini. Pakai when. Mr. SBY had been leading Indonesia for 10 years. Kan sampai sekarang udah berhenti kan ya Pak SBY? When I was still in junior high school. Ketika saya masih di SMP. Nah, gitu. Nah, kenapa pakai had been? Karena sudah nggak berlangsung. Nah, terus, before I continued my study. Sebelum saya melanjutkan studiku, I had been joining English course for 3 months. Saya sudah mengikuti atau sudah bergabung kursus bahasa Inggris selama 3 bulan. Kemudian yang terakhir yang pakai after, I had been working for 2 years. Saya sudah bekerja selama 2 tahun. After I graduated, nah ini pakai simple past ya. Jadi setelah ini pasti pakai simple past. Before I graduated from university. Setelah saya lulus dari universitas seperti itu. Understand everybody? Ada pertanyaan, Miss Like, Mr. Robert, Vanesha, Nabila? Jadi di sini sudah berhenti ya. Ada durasinya juga. Any question?
No.
No? Is
Berarti
it?
ini ada durasinya itu, Mister. Berarti ada waktunya gitu ya, Mister.
Iya, durasinya itu menggunakannya ini pakai for, selama, atau pakai since, sejak. Gitu ya. Jadi kalau semisal Pak Jokowi kan masih berlangsung sampai sekarang ya. Mr. Jokowi has been leading Indonesia. Kalau Pak SBY pakainya had been. Pak SBY atau Mr. SBY had been leading Indonesia karena sudah nggak berlangsung, udah berhenti. Gitu. Kayak contoh lagi semisal saya sekolah di saya sudah sekolah di SMP selama 3 tahun. I had been studying in junior high school for 3 years. Kan udah berlalu, udah nggak dilakukan lagi. Atau semisal Miss Like atau sebelumnya bekerja di mana selama 4 tahun. Miss Like had been working in that a big company for 3 years before she joined this class. Semisal seperti itu. Understand? Gimana grammar? Pusing kah? Hah?
Difficult.
I'm blow up.
Oke. Grammar tuh
Yeah.
enggak
It's kind
susah
of
kok.
dizzy. It's kind of dizzy for me because I need to match maybe about the two tenses.
And this is
Yes.
number 8 and we still have 8 tenses anymore. Again, masih punya 8 tenses lagi, guys.
Oh my God.
Ada 16 semuanya. Grammar tuh nggak susah, cuma nggak gampang
I'm getting
aja.
old. I'm getting old to study.
No, come on. Oke, coba ya kita latihan nih. Ada latihannya nggak ya? Bentar, saya lupa nih. Bentar.
Yes, this past perfect continuous. Yes.
Oke, coba ya kita kerjain bareng-bareng deh. Dia sudah bekerja di perusahaan itu selama 5 tahun. Nah, ini ada selamanya ya, ada durasinya. Kalau nggak ada durasinya, kita pakai yang tadi past perfect aja. Had verb 3.
Can I try, sir?
Oh, come on.
He had been
Work atau working?
Working.
he had been working at the company for 5 years before he resigned.
Resigned, ya oke. Before he resigned. Ingat ya, verb ing. Alright, nomor 2 siapa yang mau nih? Kami belum menonton film itu selama 10 menit sebelum listriknya padam. Ada yang mau nyoba?
Maybe me.
Ya.
We had been, yeah. We had been. Wait,
Ingat nih, belum.
Yes, belum. Had not. We had not been watched the movie.
Watch or watching?
Watching. Yeah, we had been watching the movie for 10 minutes before the electricity off.
Ya. Atau bisa go
Atau,
out ya,
I forget.
go out. Tapi
Go
ini kan
out,
pakai
go
pas
out.
went out.
Went out.
Went out.
Okay,
Okay.
went out.
Okay, we hadn't
We
been
hadn't.
watching
We
that movie.
hadn't been watching the movie for 10 minutes before the electricity went out.
Alright. Nomor 3 siapa yang mau, guys? Mereka sudah bermain bola.
Trying, sir. I'm trying, sir.
Oke, siapa dulu nih?
I'm sir.
Oke. Tadi Oke, come on, Mr. Robert ya?
Okay, I'm trying.
Oke, come on.
They had been playing soccer for 2 hours
Ya, 2
before
hours
the rain start.
before the rain
Started.
Started. Oke. Ini bisa soccer, kalau soccer itu Amerika ya. Bisa juga
Yes.
kalau football itu yang Europe atau yang Britishnya ya. Boleh, boleh, boleh. Oke, tadi siapa? Vanessa enggak sih? Tadi saya Vanessa enggak?
Yes.
Oke, come on, next number.
Okay. I had not been studying English for 2 years before I moved to America.
Move atau moved?
Move.
Moved ya, moved. Oke.
Move.
To America. Alright. Next number siapa yang mau nih? Nomor 5. Volunteer atau Mr. Robert lagi juga nggak apa-apa. Ayo semuanya. Mr. Isan.
I am Mr.
Oke, come on.
Come on. He has he had ya.
Ya,
He had sorry. He had wrote book. He had written ya.
Ada.
Wrote.
ada yang lupa pasti. He had atau he had been.
Oh iya, he had. Oh iya, ada itunya, ada bulannya. He had been wrote the book
Menulis.
since.
Apa menulis?
Oh, sorry, writing, writing. Pakai ink kan, Miss?
Iya.
Mister? Yeah. I had been writing the book since 6 months before he published
Published it ya.
it.
It-nya itu kembali ke
Publish it.
buku ya. Oke.
Oke.
Oke, that's right. Next, come on. Number 6.
I
Siapa
am.
yang mau?
I'm trying.
Siapa ini?
Nabila.
Oke, come on.
They had been walking in the
Berjalan-jalan.
park
Ya,
before sunset.
before
Sunset.
sunset. Oke, berjalan itu bisa
Sunset.
taking around, bisa walking around
Walking
juga gitu ya. Oke, nice. Number 7, come on. Kami sudah menunggu di stasiun. Come on, siapa yang mau nih? Ayo. Oke, come on. Siapa? Zani. Alright.
Nomor tujuan ya?
Kami sudah menunggu.
We have been
ya.
waiting at the train.
Waiting for in the
Waiting at the train
station. Ya, selama 1 jam.
for an hour
Ya, for
For a
an
while.
hour. Before
before the train came.
the train came atau bisa the train arrived juga bisa. Oke, that's right. Next, number 8. Come on guys. Masih ada 3 nomor lagi.
I'm trying.
Oke, bisa dapat lagi ya. Oke, alright.
They had discussed.
Ada yang kurang. They had
been discussed the project for the several weeks
ya.
before they made
Keputusan.
decision.
Ada yang kurang deh kayaknya. Coba deh dari awal. They had ada yang kurang pasti. Tadi kayaknya ada yang kurang deh. They had been
discussed the
discussing.
discussion.
Nah,
Discussion. The project for
several weeks
before they made a decision.
Alright, that's nice. Oke, jangan lupa pakai verbing ya. Had been verbing. Oke, thank you, Mr. Robert. Next, come on guys, number 9. Yuk, yang mau lagi nggak apa-apa, yang
Okay.
mau. Oke, Miss Monica, come on.
Yeah, she had been reading the novel 40
Ayo,
Did
yang
days?
teliti.
She
Yeah.
had not, Miss
Belum.
Yeah,
Monica.
yeah.
She had
Yeah,
not.
she had not. Okay.
She had not.
Sudah pakai kacamata juga masih. She had not. She had not reading
Kurang
She had
lagi.
not been. She
Nah,
had not been
She had
reading
not
the
been.
novel for 3 days
ya.
before she finish it. Finish it. Finish
Before
it.
finish it.
Finish
Before.
it.
Oke. Number
Before.
10. Come on guys. Terakhir ayo.
Me.
Oke, mi.
Mi,
Aku,
mi,
aku,
mi,
aku,
mi, mi,
aku,
mi.
aku.
Mi is
Oke, come on, Mr.
noodle.
Ihsan.
I had been
Apa lagi?
fix the car,
Ingat verb ing?
fixing,
Ya.
repairing lah. I
Ya.
had been repairing the car for several hours before realized the problem.
Oke, people realize it the problem.
Realize
Oke. Ya,
realize
bisa.
the problem.
Oke, that's right. Bisa fixing, bisa
I
juga
had
repairing.
been kan, Miss?
Iya, I
Been-nya
had.
ketinggalan.
Coba ulang, Mr. Ihsan. Coba ulang, Mr. Ihsan. Hello, Mr. Ihsan.
Yes, sir.
Can you repeat? Can you repeat, please?
I had been repairing the car for some hours before I realized the problem.
Alright, ya. I had been repairing atau had been fixing juga bisa. Oke, so far any question? Still confused? Still dizzy, guys? Gimana? Apakah kurang pusing?
Need practice more. I
It's a
think we
little bit
need
hard.
practice more. We need to practice more to understand.
Yeah, agree.
Yes,
Oke.
betul.
Oke, wait. I will give you something. Bentar. Exercise. No.
I think I go back to 25 years ago when I
Yes.
was studying in junior and senior high school.
Yeah.
It's like 25 years ago.
25 years ago.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
25.
yes, over 25. Yeah, I can count it.
Alright. Nah, ini guys. I will give you. Please open the chat room. Nah, ini ada Google Form di latihan. I want to check how far you understand about present and past. Yeah, you can do it after this class because time is up, time is over. So you can do it. You can do this assignment after this class is okay. Gitu ya. Okay, so for any question?